Welcome back to The Worldly Traveler. Today we're visiting a boutique hotel that blends historic charm, southern elegance, and refined hospitality in one of America's most beautiful coastal cities. Welcome to the elegant and intimate experience of Bellwether House. Located in the heart of historic Savannah, Bellwether House offers a luxurious retreat that captures the timeless character of the city. Known for its charming streets, oak trees draped in Spanish moss, and beautifully preserved architecture, Savannah provides the perfect setting for a boutique hotel that celebrates both history and modern comfort. As you approach Bellwether House, the first thing you notice is the stunning historic mansion that houses the hotel. The architecture reflects classic Southern style, with elegant details and graceful design that immediately transports you to another era. Yet behind its historic exterior lies a modern luxury experience carefully designed for today's traveler. Step inside and the atmosphere is warm, refined, and welcoming. The interiors blend traditional elegance with contemporary sophistication. Soft lighting, tasteful decor, and carefully restored architectural elements create a peaceful environment where guests can relax and enjoy the slower rhythm of Savannah. Each guest room at Bellwether House offers its own unique personality. The rooms are beautifully designed with luxurious bedding, stylish furnishings, and thoughtful touches that elevate the experience. Many rooms feature spa-inspired bathrooms, elegant soaking tubs, and curated decor that reflects the historic character of the property. Large windows allow natural light to fill the rooms while offering views of Savannah's historic neighborhood streets. The design feels both intimate and sophisticated, giving guests the comfort of a private residence combined with the amenities of a luxury boutique hotel. One of the highlights of staying at Bellwether House is its exceptional guest experience. The hotel places a strong focus on hospitality, offering thoughtful services that make every stay memorable. From welcoming refreshments to curated local experiences, the attention to detail reflects a dedication to comfort and relaxation. Guests can begin their day with a beautifully prepared breakfast before stepping out to explore the historic district. Just a short walk away lies the picturesque Forsyth Park, famous for its iconic fountain and shaded pathways. The surrounding streets are filled with charming squares, historic homes, art galleries, and inviting cafes. Savannah itself is one of the most atmospheric cities in the United States. Cobblestone streets, riverfront views, and centuries-old architecture create a destination that feels both romantic and timeless. Staying at Bellwether House places you right in the center of this unforgettable setting. After a day of exploring the city's historic landmarks, returning to Bellwether House feels like stepping into a peaceful sanctuary. The quiet elegance of the property provides the perfect place to unwind and reflect on the day's experiences. What truly makes Bellwether House special is its ability to blend history, design, and hospitality into a single unforgettable stay. It offers guests a chance to experience Savannah not just as visitors, but as part of the city's living story. At The Worldly Traveler, we love discovering unique destinations where history and luxury come together. Bellwether House is a perfect example of boutique hospitality done beautifully, offering travelers a sophisticated stay in one of America's most charming cities. If you're planning a romantic getaway, a relaxing southern escape, or a historic city adventure, Bellwether House in Savannah is a destination that deserves a place on your travel list. Subscribe to The Worldly Traveler for more luxury hotel reviews, boutique stays, and unforgettable travel experiences across the United States and around the world.